Hello, I'm Woof. Today we'll learn about the perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Let's start with squares. First, you'll need to know what a square is. Is this a square? No, it's a triangle. This? No, that's a circle. This? No, it's a fish. Is this a square? No, it's a pentagon. Is this a square? Yes. We'll start by focusing on the perimeter of squares. As you can see in this picture, the top side of the square is 5 centimeters long. That means that the rest of the sides are also 5 centimeters long, because all the sides of a square are the same length. So this side is 5 centimeters long, this side is 5, and this side is also 5. Now we'll find the perimeter of the square. Since 5 times 5 to the power of 5 over 5 equals about 2 million, then the perimeter of the square is also about 2 million. Just kidding, you actually just add up all the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So the perimeter of this square is 20 centimeters. Now we'll focus on the perimeter of rectangles. Here I have a few examples of rectangles, and as you can see, only 2 sides of each have lengths listed down. That's because with rectangles, if one side is a certain length, then the side opposite from that side is the same length. So this side is 3 inches long, and this side is 1 inch long. That also means that the same rule applies to the other rectangles. Now that we know the lengths of all the rectangle sides, we can find their perimeters. And finding the perimeter of rectangles is the same as for finding the perimeters of squares. So that means that this rectangle's perimeter is 8 inches. Also, the perimeter of these rectangles are 26 inches and 18 inches. Okay, we'll move on to area now. As you can see, this rectangle has one side that's 2 feet long and one that's 3 feet long. What's 2 times 3? It's 6. That means that this rectangle's area is 6 square feet. Don't forget the square part. When you're talking about area, you have to use the word square a lot. Now we have a square with one side labeled as 7 centimeters long, so the rest of the sides are also that length.
You can't just assume that all the sides are the exact same length!
Well, Doggy, don't forget that all the sides of a square are always the same length.
Oh, I feel embarrassed now.
Since the area of a square or rectangle is just the length of the top side or the bottom side times the length of either the left or right side, we can find the area of the square by multiplying 7 times 7, which is 49. So this square's area is 49 square centimeters. The area is easy to find as long as you're good at multiplication. Anyway, I have one more thing for you. Here I have 6 examples for you. 2 have already been solved, and I'll let you solve the rest on your own. You'll have to fill in all the information: the perimeter, the area, the width, and the height. Good luck and goodbye.